This is the core topic number 2, expansion, medium level. So let's take a look at the first example. It is x times bracket x plus y. So we also use this, applying the same method, rainbow method. So x here, so x times x. X times x, we need to know a to the power m times a to the power n. So equal to a to the power m plus n. Here, x is x to the power 1 times another x to the power 1. So we get x to the power 1 plus 1, which is x to the power 2. So here, x times x, which give us x to the power 2. This is plus, so plus, and then x times y, so we get xy. X squared plus xy, so they are unlike terms, so we cannot combine them. This is the final answer. That's it. Let's take a look at the second example. Here, negative 2 times bracket 3x minus 2y. So we also apply the rainbow method. Negative 2 times 3x give us negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 2y. So negative times negative give us positive. 2 times 2 give us 4y. Okay, negative 6x plus 4y are unlike terms, so we cannot combine. This is the final answer. The third example, outside the bracket we have a term 2x squared. Inside the bracket we have two terms 3x, and the second term is negative 4y. So to remove the bracket, we also apply the rainbow method. 2x squared times 3x. So we need to times the number first. 2 times 3, which give us 6. X squared times x, which means x squared times x to the power 1. So apply the laws of indices. X to the power 2 plus 1, which gives us x to the power 3. So here, 2x squared times 3x, which is 6x to the power 3. Then 2x squared times negative 4y. So 2 times negative 4 gives us negative a. Negative a. X squared times y. So just x squared times y. So that's it. X to the power 3 and x to the power 2 times y are unlike terms. You cannot combine. This is the final answer.